Can you be a promise keeper? Hello friends, this is Yundel. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. As it says in 2 Samuel 7:16, your house and your kingdom will endure forever before me. Your throne will be established forever. Can you be a promise keeper? Do you ever wonder how faithful God is to keep His promises to you? In today's scripture, God promised David that one of the descendants would always be on the throne of Israel. Over 300 years later, one of David's relatives, King Hezekiah, and his throne were in great danger. An overwhelming army had surrounded Jerusalem, and there was no way out. But at the last minute, God sent an angel who destroyed 185,000 enemy troops, and the people were saved. God explained to Hezekiah why he did it. He said, David's been in the grave for 300 years, but I made that promise to him about his throne. I always keep my promise. How about you? Can you be a promise keeper? Maybe you're standing on a promise and it hasn't come to pass yet. Don't worry if God will go to such great lengths to keep His promises to a man who's dead. How much more He will keep His promise to you. Stay in faith. Keep reminding Him what He promised and keep thanking Him that it's on the way. You're about to see God shows out in your life when you believe, when you can keep His promises. Like King Hezekiah. It is very important that we can keep our own promises. And why is that? It is about your word of honor. Honor thyself, as it says in the scripture as well. When you can honor thyself, it is very important that you can keep your promise as well. I know it is